Hi all, my name is Stephen Corman and I'm a software developer at Silicon Labs. Today I'm going to introduce you to mbed low-power APIs, which were developed in close collaboration with ARM. The mbed low-power APIs will enable your application to automatically get into the lowest power consumption mode possible by selecting the best sleep mode for you and introducing an asynchronous programming concept, which will allow you to do background input-output operations while sleeping core or doing different tasks at the same time. So what you can see here is a preview of how the mbed low-power APIs will look like when they get launched in April. This small demo program is designed to run on the GiantGecko SDK. What it does is initialize a capacitive slider and attach a few callbacks, which will get called when certain events happen on the slider. It also starts a 1-second ticker, which will make sure that the time gets updated on the LCD. It writes something on the LCD, and then the while one loop, which is usually where all the stuff happens in microcontroller programs, just contains a sleep call. This sleep call will automatically determine the lowest power sleep mode for you, and that way will make sure that your application uses the lowest power possible. When we then take a look at the callbacks, they are actually equally simple. The ticker callback on the 1-second timeout just updates a time value and displays it on the LCD. The callback for touching or not touching the display turns on a certain symbol on the LCD when the slider gets touched and writes hello when the slider is no longer touched. During the time the slider gets touched, the slide callback gets called whenever the value of the position changes. So if your finger changes position on the slider, this new number will also get displayed on the display. So if you want to be notified when we are launching the low-power APIs on the Silicon Labs platforms in April, you can sign up at scilabs.com/mbed. In the meantime, if you want to learn more about mbed, feel free to go to developer.mbed.org and find out more.